Hey everyone, in this tutorial series, I'm going to show you 3 exercises you can do without any equipment, body weight only, for core.
This is a plank with opposite reach out. This is also known as the contralateral reach out. It's a normal plank position with raising the left arm and the right leg, and then switching to the right arm and the left leg. You should be using the muscles in the back to lift the arm and the muscles in the glutes to lift the leg. This exercise is the reverse crunch. You should be primarily trying to kick your legs straight up using the abs to lift your hips off the ground. If you push the hips towards the shoulders as you kick the legs up overhead, you can get into an easier motion on this exercise. This exercise is the V-up. Raising both legs at the same time as you're raising both arms up, you should be meeting the legs close to the center line, aiming for the legs and the arms to meet where your belt will be.